Yeah. Thank y'all. Because for those of y'all that I've met as little kids, when we get to do this together tonight, we bring it full circle. I dig it. Everybody that you're standing next to right now, tomorrow is not promised. So find somebody that you love and let that love be on them. Like that. Find your friend. Spread it out. That's right, I want to see some hugs up in this motherfucker, y'all. I'm coming for you.
Get a little more guitar in the monitor.
I'm coming over for y'all next. But I do want to do something that's talking about cannabis, because I'm a weed smoker for another couple of hours. It comes from the earth. It's good for you. Except for Mario, it's not good for him. I don't know. So this is a song called Blaze. I don't know. If you got it, smoke it. This is because I'm guilty. Or, where did it go? I might just eat it. Because cookies are good for you.
And if one of y'all see Jack, get his leg up here. We need his leg.
Many depression carve away and change my day. From these panic variations and overwhelming obsessions, as I plunge into myself and I scare away all crazy birds. Who I got someone else living inside me. They come outside, way. They come outside, way. It's 420. Subway. All the time. Oh, hello. These secret words compose and rearrange mine. Feminine demon who burns and she plays my feminine. But not for food, I export where. She allowed me once in the day. You know what I'm talking about? I was alive when I saw Santa. She ejaculated, she said with a smile. She turned and spin in those diamonds' eye. Was blind with passion, lust, and no beginnings of the dot. So on the work, my body. And I can place the way that my dress went.
That's a song about Sinsemilla. I'm actually gonna stop smoking weed at some point. I'm gonna try for it. Maybe if we come back this time next year, then I'll spark it up again. Lemonade Sunshine, let's get that. Oh shit, 16. Oh wow, y'all are coming out of it this evening. Yes. Dark Whispers, and those are two songs that are not on the set. But I'll see what I can do. I'll have to talk real nice to Andy. Play the old, rusty trombone instead of like 4 times tonight. Let's see. This is a song that some of y'all will recognize because you live this. No matter where you go, you can't get away from yourself. So no matter where you go, of course, there you are. That's right. For Denny Lawrence and Clan Buster and all y'all that do the same ish that I do. This is called St. June.
Money
Eventually it's gonna break my heart if we didn't play that song. I believe in it. I'm a very skinny man. I'm very sensitive. In light of all the things that are happening in our country this day, I never thought that we would get to this point. With regards to firearms. Yes, we're going all over the spectrum this evening, and yet in a very little night type of way. So, this is not AK-47, not 15, not 14. Is this the mid-16? The Krauses have agreed. 'Tis time. So, let us glorify violence once again. Bring it to me. So, see this dude right here? Mario? Since he was 15, I was 17. I met him when I moved to a podunk fucking farm town as a senior in high school. The very first day I met him was because I was about to get in a fight with some dudes that were from 4-H, like these cowboy motherfuckers, talking a gang shit, right? This dude comes up to me and says, "Excuse me, my brother, are you really trying to get suspended on the third day of school? Why don't you think about what you're doing?" And I was like, "What the fuck are you talking about?" He's like, "Wait, I have a feeling that you might rap. Please, come with me. Let me get you some tater tots." The very first I tried to make music before, if it weren't for him and our other brother Adam, I would have never had the balls to come meet these guys. My very first bandmate ever. We used to make beats at his grandma's house. On the bus. Thank you very much. Can he get a hell yeah? This is a song that I took the first verse from another friend of ours, Mike Cassidy, who I thought was the dopest MC in Sacramento. This is called Circles. It's his first song off of our first album. You might recognize this. Don't try to hide it. I see it. Walking the streets to be man first. I curse myself. I'm giving it a try. Why? 'Cause I'm Somehow. The body of Christ compels you.